The new young partner in the law firm was discouraged. The senior partners had set extremely high standards and had coached him carefully. He did well in some minor trials, but he lost his first big case. The partners reviewed the trial, pointed out his errors, and suggested different strategies. Then he lost the next case. Their critique was sharper. He felt terrible. Were they ready to dump him? Then one of the partners took him aside. "Look," he said, "you're learning. Just keep going. You'll start winning. Meanwhile, your position is secure. You're one of us." Those words were exactly what he needed. When a fellow believer falls spiritually, we too need to offer support. He or she needs loving correction and acceptance to prevent despair and to encourage growth in Christ-likeness. We need to develop a compassionate heart that sympathizes with weak believers who are painfully aware of their shortcomings. They may even feel like hopeless sinners, wondering if God has given up on them. We must not take a light attitude towards sin. We are to confront it with humility and love, Galatians 6:1. We need to reassure the struggling believer, do not despair, keep serving the Lord. Do your best, you're still one of us. Be as patient with others as God has been with you.